Did you know that heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide, taking more lives each year than any other illness? The surprising part? A significant portion of these cases could be prevented with just a few changes to what we eat daily. Our heart is the engine that keeps us going, beating around 100,000 times a day to pump life through our veins. But are we giving it the care it deserves? One of the most powerful ways to protect your heart is by eating the right foods. But not just any foods, specific heart-healthy choices that can strengthen your heart, lower your cholesterol, and even reduce your risk of heart disease. Today, we will talk about 5 of the best heart-healthy foods that could truly change your life. Heart disease has become a silent epidemic. According to the World Health Organization, it's responsible for nearly 18 million deaths each year, and much of this comes down to what's on our plates. Diets high in saturated fats, trans fats, and added sugars are major contributors to clogged arteries, high blood pressure, and other heart issues. But the good news is, we have the power to change this. By swapping out some of the unhealthy choices for foods that nourish and protect our hearts, we can make a huge difference. 1. Salmon. Salmon isn't just delicious, it's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and decrease the risk of arrhythmias, irregular heartbeats that can lead to serious issues. According to the American Heart Association, eating 2 servings of fatty fish like salmon each week could significantly reduce your risk of heart disease. 2. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and other berries are more than just a tasty treat. They're loaded with antioxidants like anthocyanins, which help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, 2 major contributors to heart disease. Studies published reveal that people who eat more berries have lower levels of bad cholesterol and a lower risk of heart attacks. 3. Nuts. Walnuts, almonds, and other nuts are excellent for heart health. They're rich in unsaturated fats, fiber, and protein, which can help improve your cholesterol levels. According to research in the British Medical Journal, eating just a handful of nuts every day can lower the risk of heart disease by up to 30%. 4. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are powerhouses of nutrients like vitamin K, which helps protect your arteries and promotes proper blood clotting. They're also high in nitrates, which can lower blood pressure and improve the function of blood vessels, making your heart's job a little easier. And 5. Oats. Starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal can do wonders for your heart. Oats are packed with beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that can lower your LDL cholesterol levels. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition reports that a daily serving of oats can reduce bad cholesterol by up to 7%. Of all these foods, the most surprising might be the humble oat. Who knew that such a simple, everyday food could have such a powerful impact on heart health? The truth is that small changes like adding oats to your breakfast can lead to big improvements. So, lowering your cholesterol and boosting your heart health with something as easy as swapping your morning cereal for a bowl of oatmeal. So, let's recap the 5 heart-healthy foods that could change your life. Salmon for omega-3s, berries for antioxidants, nuts for healthy fats, leafy greens for vital nutrients, and oats for lowering cholesterol. Incorporating these into your diet isn't just a choice. It's a step toward a stronger, healthier heart. Start making these small but powerful changes to your diet today. Your heart will thank you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier life. Thanks for watching.